Hey, what's up everybody? Another day at Cars for Giving, and today we got the Suzuki up on the lift. We're gonna go ahead and give this bad boy an oil change today. Alright, Jules, so what's the plan of attack here?
I'm just trying to clean the old oil. I don't have to get it perfect, but I just want to know that whatever oil I see is new oil and not an old mess that just didn't get cleaned up. So, let me see if my arm fits in here. Spider. No, oh, he's got some juicy things.
Alright, Jules, what are we doing to try and find this leak?
Well, I want to run the engine to identify a major oil leak, but there was no oil on the dipstick, and before I just put oil into it, I figured we might as well change the filter. So we drained out what oil was in it.
How did that feel, man?
Just had to scrape my hand to get it out of there. Maybe got that lubricated lightly. Alright, I found the position to assume to get this job done. You gotta turn around, put your right hand behind your back, flip your wrist around, and then you can get 3 fingertips and a thumb onto it. Yeah, finger tight. Alright, we went ahead and got some high mileage, 530, since this thing called for 530. And we definitely have way more than 75,000 miles on it, so we'll be nice to it, give it the fancy stuff. Time to evict the mouse! Favorite stuff, degreaser. So we've got the vehicle running. We cleaned up where we believe the oil leak to be, and we're just trying to monitor it. It potentially could be leaking out of a valve cover gasket, which I have not seen it do yet. There is a solenoid right there for probably your variable valve timing. And then underneath it, if you look over here, there's another sensor underneath it that I believe is your oil pressure sending unit. All 3 of those areas could be the cause of our leak, and we won't know until we actually watch it leak oil.